Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Lenovo IdeaCentre AIO desktop, a machine that packs some serious punch, especially with its upgraded configuration. This is an all-in-one PC, meaning the computer components are built right into the monitor, giving you a clean, clutter-free workspace. The display itself is a 21.5-inch screen with a full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution. It uses IPS technology, which means you get great viewing angles and vibrant colors. Though the 250 nits brightness and 45% NTSC color coverage suggest it's best suited for general productivity rather than professional photo or video editing. It does have an anti-glare coating, which is always a plus for reducing reflections in bright environments. Under the hood, this IdeaCentre is powered by a 12th generation Intel Core i3-1220p processor. Now, don't let the i3 name fool you. This is a modern chip with a hybrid architecture featuring 10 cores, 2 performance cores, and 8 efficient cores, giving it a total of 12 threads. It can boost up to 4.4 GHz, providing plenty of speed for everyday tasks and even some more demanding workloads. What really sets this particular configuration apart are the massive upgrades to memory and storage. It comes equipped with a staggering 64 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM running at 3,200 MHz. This amount of RAM is usually found in high-end workstations and will allow you to run countless applications simultaneously, handle large datasets, and multitask without breaking a sweat. Complementing the huge RAM is an equally impressive 4TB NVMe M.2 solid-state drive. This provides an enormous amount of incredibly fast storage, ensuring quick boot times, rapid application loading, and ample space for all your files, documents, and programs. Graphics are handled by the integrated Intel UHD graphics, which is suitable for standard desktop use, video playback, and light casual gaming, but not for demanding graphical tasks. Connectivity is well covered. You get Realtek Wi-Fi 6 for fast wireless internet and Bluetooth 5.1. 4 wired connections. There are 2 super-fast USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports capable of 10 gigabits per second transfer speeds, alongside 2 standard USB 2.0 ports. There's also an HDMI 1.4 port for connecting an external display, a gigabit RJ45 Ethernet port for reliable wired networking, and a standard microphone headset jack. A 720p HD camera is built in for video calls, and it conveniently includes a Calliope wireless keyboard and mouse right in the box, so you're ready to go. The system runs on Windows 10 Pro, which is great for business users needing features like domain join and enhanced security. The whole unit is quite compact and relatively lightweight for a desktop, weighing in at just over 13 pounds. Overall, this specific configuration of the Lenovo IdeaCentre AIO, with its powerful 12th Gen i3 and the massive RAM and SSD upgrades, positions it as a highly capable machine, particularly well suited for business environments or power users who need serious multitasking and storage capabilities in a clean, all-in-one form factor.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.